Anping Hengchang Wire Mesh Products Co., Limited is a foreign trade factory company located in the township of Chinese Wire Mesh, Anping County. Founded in 2002, the factory has nearly 20 years of manufacturing experience in China, with more than 50 employees and a plant area of more than 3,000 square meters. Main products: stainless steel wire mesh, screen filter cap, sintering mesh, rare metal mesh, customized mesh disc, etc. Widely used in petroleum, chemical, pharmaceutical, plastic, rubber, food, sewage treatment, and gas liquid filtration. Partly used in pipe filtration, household D,